Think you know the USA? Well, I bet you've never heard these 10 mind-blowing facts about America. Number 7 will leave you speechless. Fact 1. The US has a town with an official population of 1 person. Welcome to Monowite, Nebraska, where the mayor, librarian, and bartender are all the same person. Fact 2. Route 66 isn't the longest road in America, but it is the most famous, stretching through 8 states and countless ghost towns. Fact 3. If California were a country, it would have the 5th largest economy in the world, bigger than the UK. Fact 4. Alaska is so massive, you could fit 22 states inside it and still have room left over. Fact 5. There's an actual law in Arizona that makes it illegal for donkeys to sleep in bathtubs. Show a donkey in a bathtub for humor. Fact 6. NASA's headquarters in Washington, D.C., controls missions traveling billions of miles away, like the Voyager probe, which has already left our solar system. Fact 7. There's a hidden apartment inside the Statue of Liberty's torch, but it's been closed to the public for over 100 years. Fact 8. The U.S. is home to the world's oldest national park, Yellowstone, established in 1872, and it's still sitting on a supervolcano. Fact 9. Americans eat about 50 billion hamburgers a year, that's 3 burgers every week for every person. Fact 10. The U.S. doesn't have an official language at the federal level. English is just the most spoken. So, how many of these did you already know? Drop your favorite fact in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing discovering.